Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the lead code problem that says the to get the maximum number of consecutive ones in a binary array. The array consists only of zeros and ones. So you can understand with the problem statement here. The first example says the 1 1 0 1 1 1. So you can see the consecutive one is the highlighted here, that is the count 3. If you can see the second example, it has a consecutive one that is in the middle, highlighted in a bold, that the count is 2. Now, how we are going to solve this? The right approach to solve this problem is the sliding window techniques. Why? Because it has some range we are talking about, and we have the some sort of window of the consecutive ones. Right. So whenever such kind of problems comes, right, at least we should try, using the sliding window technique. Right. Now here you can see in this solution, right, I mean we have some variables that is defined. That is, the first is the integer n, that's nums of length, the size of the array. Then we are again assigning a pointer, that is j, and the initial value of the pointer is the 0. We have the current window size as well, because for each time we have to check the consecutive ones, right? So the window size is, initially we have the zeros, and again we one more variable is there, that is the result variable, and the initial value is the 0 there. Now start the traversal. So we'll use the while loop, and we can will traverse till the j is less than n, and then we'll check every time that if the nums of g is 1, at that point of time we have to increase the current window size, right? Because we have to find the ones only in the array, so we increase the count of the window, right? And after that we'll also update our result variable, so the max.max with the previous result to the maximum value between previous result and the current window size, right? Since this problem will always only have to find the consecutive ones, so whenever we encounter while traversing, if there any value that comes as 0, then we have to reset our current window size to 0, right? And the j will always move, right, for the next element. At the end, after this loop, we can simply return the result that definitely going to give us the maximum of consecutive ones. So what are the key points here, right? We do have some initialization that I explained, right? And inside the loop, the logic that I already explained, right? We have to find the consecutive ones while in the traversal of the array, and whenever we encounter one, we have to increase the current window size, and if we encounter, any zeros, then we have to reset the current window size. If we encounter the 1, then we have to update the result as well with the maximum value of the previous result and the current window size, right? And after the loop, right, we'll get the maximum size consecutive ones in our result variable. So what could be the efficiency, right? That if you can talk about the time complexity, so it always be the order of n. Why? Because we are only traversing the array only once, right? And we are not using any additional space, so the space complexity will be constant. Okay, so the summary here is, right, consecutive ones, if you wanted to maintain during the traversal of the array, then we have to use the one count variable that here we are calling about the window size, right? Increase it whenever we found encounter ones, and reset it whenever we encounter 0 dynamically, right? And then finally you can use the math.max to get the consecutive ones, maximum count of the consecutive ones. and the it always takes the order of n time. As I said that we are only traversing once of the array. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt and question, just let me know in the comment section. Please like and subscribe if you really like this content. Thank you so much for your time.